Hi, today we're going to talk about exponential functions, and we have touched on this, but a wealthy businessman needs to do some chores. He needs to get some things done. Painting, cleaning toilets, polishing his shoes, all kinds of things. He's going to hire you for 1 month. And he gives you a choice on how you want to get paid. Option A is he gives you $1 million on the first day. You work for the next 30 days, but you don't make any additional money. So that $1 million covers the whole month. Your second option is I'm going to give you a penny day one, 1 penny, 1 cent. But day two, I'll give you 2 pennies. And I'm going to give you 4 pennies on the third day and 8 pennies on the fourth day. And it doubles every single day. So you get paid every day. But, the first day it's only a penny. So you have to decide which one you're going to choose. Okay, in your notes, I want you to circle right now which one you want to choose. Now, let's look closely at what's happening. In option A, the total amount of money earned is $1 million. That's a lot of money, right? Yeah, okay. When we've got a table to figure out how much money we're going to earn with option 2. So the first day we earn a penny, the second day 2 pennies, the third day 4 pennies, the fourth day 8 cents, the fifth day, let's double that, that's 16 cents, okay? Well, then the next day we double it, so we get 32 cents. We're still barely above a quarter. We've worked for almost a week. Okay, the seventh day, we're gonna double it again, 64 cents. We're still less than $1, right? We double it again, we get $1.28, woot woot. Okay, now remember this is adding together, so we're well above $1 now. Okay, cool. We double that again, and you get $2.56. Double it again, you get $5.12. And if you want to pause this and add up how much you made in the first 10 days, that's cool. You can do that. Day 11, you get $10.24. Day 12, you get $20.48. You're working all day and you get $20. Like, really? Okay. The next day, you get $40.96. Oops, that should be a 9, not a 7. 96, there we go. The day after that, you get $81.92. Now we're talking. All right, but it took you, 2 weeks to get there, 14 days, right? The next day, you get $163.84. The next day, you get $327.68. We're making good money now. Then the next day, day 17, we get $655.36. We're still nowhere near $1 million. Am I right? Like, come on. All right, we're gonna double it again. This day 18, we make some bank. It's $1,310.72. We're gonna multiply that again. And on day 19, we get $26.21.44. So over $2,000 on day 19 just by itself. That's pretty cool. All right, what about day 20? $5,242.88. All right, so we're making decent money now, but we're still nowhere near $1 million. Am I right? Okay, so let's see what happens the last 10 days. We're going to double our earnings again. Oh, wow, we get $10,000. $486.76, so well over $10,000. All right, cool. We're gonna double that again. We get $20,000, cool. Almost $21,000, $971.52. All right, we're gonna double it again. Oh my goodness, we get $41,943.09. All right. We got about a week left, right? We got 7 days left. Let's double that again. We get $83,000 $886.08. That's pretty good money, right? $83,000 for a day's work. We double that, we get $167,772.16. I am fully running out of room here. We're going to double that again. Oh, holy cow. We get $335,544.32. We've only got 4 more days, though. Double it again. What just happened? We have $671,088.64. That should be a period instead of a comma. All right, we're going to double it again, and I get $1,342,177.28, and I have 2 days left. I made over $1 million on day 28, plus I've got all of the money I've already earned. That was just on that one day. We're going to double it again. We got 2. Oh, I need to erase that because it's in my way. Right? Yeah. All right. So I've got $2,684,354.56. We're going to double it again. And we have $5,368,709.12. Okay. I don't even know what all that is added together. Just in the last 3 days alone, I get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost $10 million just in the last 3 days alone. I am not going to do the addition right there. You can if you want to. That's a lot. So which plan is best? You definitely want plan B, because you want to make multi-million dollars.